Welcome to Days Behind, where we unveil the trivia and stories behind holidays and national days. How did a single summit spark a global movement? International Tiger Day began in 2010 to spotlight a crisis. Tiger numbers had fallen to a historic low. Leaders, scientists, and NGOs united to protect habitats and rally the world behind wild tigers. At the 2010 Saint Petersburg Tiger Summit, 13 tiger range countries made a bold pledge. They launched Tx2, an ambition to double the estimated 3,200 wild tigers by 2022. Governments, communities, and partners aligned on funding, anti-poaching, and habitat recovery. Similar measurement has been taken towards the hippos, which you can find in another video of ours about Hippo Day. The 2010s brought coordinated tiger surveys and smarter protection across borders. Camera traps mapped new corridors, while communities led coexistence programs. By the early 2020s, several countries reported rebounds, proving recovery is possible when habitats are secured. Each July 29th, cities and villages celebrate. Parades, cleanups, street festivals, school poster making, and community tree plantings across Asia and beyond. Museums, zoos, and sanctuaries host talks and kid workshops, turning curiosity into care with keeper Q&As, interactive exhibits, and no performing animals, just respectful learning. Online, artists share stripes of hope. #challenges, reels, and donation drives amplify voices, while community fundraisers help equip rangers with boots, radios, and first aid kits. Policy forums convene leaders, scientists, and indigenous representatives. Town halls and webinars renew commitments, linking tiger protection with livelihoods, safe corridors, and climate resilience. You can help support habitat protection and community-led conservation. Back ranger programs, report illegal trade, and choose responsible travel. Share verified stories that inspire action. International Tiger Day celebrates a magnificent cat and a planet healthier for all when tigers thrive.